So today we're going to look at section 1.1b. We're just working with slope. You have heard the words pitch, slant, steepness. Um, Basically, these three words are all words that are a way of describing slope. You remember that slope is a ratio that compares the change in vertical distance to the change in horizontal. So basically, it's rise divided by run. It's the ratio between these two numbers. So you can calculate slope as the change in vertical distance over the change in horizontal. Um, we always wrote it as rise divided by run. And now we used a symbol for slope, and that symbol we used for slope was m. Okay, so the slope is calculated out of rise over run. If you're not too sure, sometimes formulas use this delta symbol, which is basically a triangle. It means change or difference. So the slope is equal to rise over run. So let's look at a couple examples. Calculate the slope of a line that has a rise of 12 centimeters for a run of 8 centimeters. So we do the rise over run formula. So it rose 12, ran 8, so 12 divided by 8. If you're going to leave it like this, you have to have a reduced fraction. Okay, lots of times we like our slopes to be in a fraction. That means it's exact measurements. So 12 divided by 8, well, we could divide each by 4, and that would reduce to 3 over 2. So the slope is 3 over 2. If we put it in decimal form, the slope would be 1.5. So this is just going over that alternate solution that you can also express it as a decimal. You're probably wondering, which way do I prefer as a teacher? Basically, I'm okay as a decimal or a fraction in your case, unless it specifically states one way or another. If it says, what is the slope in decimals to the first decimal or to the 10th, then leave it in decimals. If it says, what's the slope in fractions, you leave it in the lowest common fraction. So you have a couple build your skills to calculate some slopes. Good luck. Have fun.